Hello guys, how to fix error name resolution failed error on your Google Chrome browser in your Windows 11 and 10 system, and such type of error message appear on your screen on your browser. This site can't be raised, error name resolution failed. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is go to Chrome incognito mode, new incognito windows, and check whether in this window your site is properly opening or working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is click on three vertical dot from the top right corner of the page and go to settings, choose settings, and from the left side go to privacy and security, click on privacy and security, and here you will find the option clear browsing data, clear history, cookies, caches and site data. Click on it, and here from the top go to advanced tab and make the check against option browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, and also cached images and files. Select all these files and finally choose clear data. It will clear your browsing history and data in your Chrome browser and try to fix your issues. If your problem is still, then go to the next fixes. Again, click on three vertical dot from the top right corner, and here look for extensions. Hover the cursor on extension and choose manage extensions. All your Google Chrome extensions added to your Chrome browser is visible here. Simply disable this, turn the toggle button off to disable all extensions for a while. And once your error is resolved, again you may turn on all extensions. So simply disable your all extensions. The next workaround is go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows run as administrator modes. Choose run as administrator and here execute various command to reset your network, IP configuration, clear your DNS caches and many more. Execute all these 6 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each times. ipconfig release, IP configuration all, IP configuration flushdns. This command will clear your DNS caches. IP configuration renew, IP set DNS and winsock reset. Apply all these commands one by one, followed by enter key on each times on your command prompt windows, and once successfully execution of command, don't forget to restart your system. So restart your system and check whether your error name resolution failed error on your Chrome browser in your Windows 11 10 system resolved or not. If not, the one's last method is reset Chrome settings. Again, click on three vertical dot from the top right corner and here go to settings again, and from the left side choose reset settings. Click on it, reset settings to their original defaults. Again click on it and reset settings. This action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data. So choose reset settings to fix your Chrome browser related various type of errors in your system Windows 11 and 10. That's all.